Closing market comments for Wednesday, September the 9th. Grains were mixed today with beans closing higher, corn closing lower, and wheat closing about unchanged. Pretty quiet day again as we prepare for the report on Friday. Everybody's just kind of waiting to see what the numbers are going to be from USDA before we have that much of activity in this market the way it appears right now. USDA did announce a couple good sales again this morning, 238,000 metric tons of beans to China, 132,000 metric tons of beans to unknown, so both of those were good sales. Total of about 13.6 million bushels sold in those couple sales that we had, so that was a friendly number. Did lend a little support after the morning break. Beans were able to go up and break through the contract high of 980 and 3/4 and got up to 981 and 3/4 before backing off and closing below the contract high. So it would have been good if we could have closed above that instead of below, but we'll have to see how the market reacts overnight to determine the factors for tomorrow. We do probably have some short covering coming here and some people evening up positions. As funds are long about 100,000 contracts of beans right now, so it wouldn't be surprising to see them liquidate some positions, take some profits. We've had 12 days up in a row. Otherwise, the crop conditions from last night we did talk about. Corn conditions were 61%, down 1. Indiana was at 61%, down 2%. Illinois unchanged at 70%. Ohio was up 4% at 49. Michigan up 3% at 53. Iowa down 2 at 43%. Minnesota down 1 at 78. Nebraska down 2 at 62. South Dakota, a big drop, down 6% at 68%, and North Dakota down 1 at 63. Soybean conditions were at 65% last night. That's down 1% for the week. In the state breakdowns, Indiana was unchanged at 63. Illinois was down 4 at 68. Ohio up 1 at 55. Michigan up 1 at 61. Iowa down 3 at 47. Minnesota down 1 at 79. Nebraska down 3 at 63. South Dakota down 6 in beans also at 66. And North Dakota unchanged at 64. Data was released today talking about the weather in the month of August, and Iowa had the driest August on record of the 128 years of history that we have, and Iowa was the third driest August ever. So we'll have to see when the USDA comes out what impact that's going to have on these yields. You would anticipate, especially in soybeans, that should have some impact, but we'll have to see. And the crop ratings in Iowa at 43 and 47 certainly are showing that there is some stress there. Otherwise, we did see the dollar a little weaker, gold and silver a little higher today. Stock markets did rebound finally after 3 days of down. They did have a good day up. And the crude oil market bounced up. It was up $1.26 after being down over $3 yesterday. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.